Welcome to Tooltech Geek. I want to test this system to create a snapping implements in a multi-tool. If you make your own multi-tool, this will be a way to create the snap kind of effect, but having the spring in the tool itself, which may simplify how you build tools. So I made different sizes of thickness and different length of this slit. So this should be the softer and this should be the hardest. I'm gonna test it and I'm gonna compare it with the force that you need to deploy the Victorinox. So first, turning on the scale and tear it. It has a little piece of Lego there to create a bit of distance to the plate. So this is the softest type, and we can see the force measuring grams. It's going to 30, 31, 32. Looks like it's maxing out at about 32. Now I'm gonna test the hardest spring, which has the thickness here. This is 4 times that, and it has a short slit there. So let's see what's the maximum force. Let's get it 170, 180, 180. It looks like it gets into the 180s. Let's try again. Yeah, so it's in the 180s. So for comparison, let's try the Victorinox SD Classic. 200. So let's get into the 208 or so. So even though this is a different material, gets kind of the same order of magnitude, 180 grams, kind of force to push it, start moving. That's a decent amount of snap. So it's a good number. If we were to make this of metal, it's gonna be different because it has different elastic properties. It could be 100 times stiffer, something made of metal, than this plastic. So we can make something thin. We can also change this width here to basically create a similar kind of springiness as in a commercial tool. So very happy with the results. This design has basically a circular shape and then a smaller diameter circular shape, but this diameter is actually a little shifted such that this curvature is the same as this. What that means is when this part moves here, it has a very kind of smooth rotation. When it's deployed, the force is transmitted directly to this big pivot, so it can be pretty strong to forces this way. For lateral forces, we will have to probably put a stop of some sort to prevent it from swinging around when you're using it. So that's kind of current state of this experiment. Thank you for watching.